Hey there, this is Challenger Joe with Challenger of the Day. Wanted to show you my new stripes I installed tonight. It took me about 15 minutes to install these vinyl decals. Weather was perfect and the soapy mixture came right out with the squeegee, really nice. There's a few tiny little micro bubbles you can barely see. I barely see them. I know they'll come out too. They're the kind that will. I think it came out really good. They lined up really nice. I haven't put the RT on yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. This Widebody has a really big RT on the front grille, so that might be enough for me. I'm not sure. I may put it on, see what it looks like, take some pictures, and do it before and after and see what you think. But for now, just have a great day. All day, every day. Challenger of the day. Think positive. Be positive. Go forward.